Hi, my name is Gary Clausen from Christie. I'm here to give you a whirlwind tour of our booth at InfoComm and a little bit of insight into Christie Mystique. So if you look around the booth here, you can see all the demonstrations of the different Christie technologies, the mix of projection and displays, the wolf's head up here, which is a 3D animated projection from multiple different projectors. It's absolutely stunning. And if you move forward, you can also see the centerpiece, which is the rink, which is showing projected content, interactive content on a hockey rink. That's 4 projectors that are all being used to create one seamless canvas for interactive content. So Christie over the years has generated a lot of experience with building these, and then in the past year a lot of our customers have come back and seen some of our internal tools and expertise and stopped us and said, you can do that? So what we're introducing at InfoComm this year is Christie Mystique. Christie Mystique is a suite of tools that help people design, install, and operate spectacular experiences. So we've got a focus on this over here, and we'll just quickly walk over and I'll give you an overview.
Okay, we'll be back. Sorry.
First element, this is the design element. When you're putting things, designing a spectacular experience, you've got to there's a lot of factors you have to get right. The brightness, the pixel depth, sometimes these things aren't easy to figure out, but we've got some expertise that allows you to be able to visualize and see the brightness on a particular display, what the dot pitch is, the different variables to making sure you're making the right selections of the right equipment. And once that's all in place in a 3D scene, you can also live see the content inside the view, see what it looks like from different views and different angles, get an idea of exactly what you're building before you've invested the time and money to build the experience. You can also use Oculus Rift to be able to experience that live before it's actually even created. Then we can actually use some 3D printing technologies to build an actual model of the rink or the installation you've got. Here's an example of the rink where you've got the projectors set up, and you can actually get an idea of exactly what it's going to look like ahead of time. Also on this display, we're using our tools that allow you to be able to install and confidently align a system like this. So in this example, we're actually using the markers on the rink itself, and machine vision to be able to precisely align the projectors and get a seamless canvas across that entire ice rink. And in a lot of these environments, when we talk to customers, these things are being set up in places that have vibration, they move. Hockey arenas have people coming in and out, and things change over time. And it's important to our customers that the experience, the alignment, the brightness is as brilliant as it is on day 100 as it was on day 1. So Operate is a way that we can use those same machine vision and tools to be able to monitor it over time and let you know what's happening, monitor the brightness, the alignment, find out when it's out of alignment before your users start to see it. Sometimes if something goes wrong, 100 or 1,000 people might have seen it, knowing something's a little bit off before you've realized there's an issue. So that's the overview of Design, Install, and Operate and Christie Mystique. What I'm most excited by is the reaction we've been getting from designers and people who are looking at building these solutions for the potential that when we start to solve the hard problems and make it easier for these things to come to life, how many more and how many awesome experiences we didn't expect could have happened will start happening. And you can get more information at christiedigital.com.